Alright. Killing it, man. Yeah, man. Y'all just finished painting what, yesterday? Sunday? That's crazy, man. I need it. That's beautiful.
Shit, bro.
Oh, once we get out of here, though.
Oh, everything looks nice.
Yeah, because it's bad signal around here. Yeah. Yeah, I'm cool. Jeez almighty. Painted. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. All the way to the back. Lord have mercy. Are you good? You got the pinstriping. Gee, man. Got the hideaway panel. Then it goes all the way up. Oh yeah. Right here. Oh my goodness. This is probably my favorite truck that I ain't in the show. Real old school airs with pinstripe in there. Usually people do something on the back of the fender here too, but I don't see nothing. It's still hard though. I love it. You like the truck? Is it a nice truck? Look at the colors? The blue? Yeah. He's up there working on it. Wow, yeah, that's pretty. Yeah. Is the wind the bed? You see it? Touch it. Touch it. Is it soft? Oh, that's soft. It's him. He's working on it.